Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the AI music video for Suno AI Song. So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can do, you can visit desuno.com first, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And for the new user, don't worry because they will give you 50 credits over here. This is because I have tried to create the music in the previous time. So basically, you will have 50 credits and it will be renewed every single day. And here, this is the section that you can start to put your prompt like this. For example, I put this prompt, for example, to request the Suno.com to create the song about the man who adores a woman, and also what kind of the love song that you would like to create. For example, if let's say there is a man, imagine or describe the love is like consuming or enjoying the sweet dessert, something like that. And you can also put the genre song, for example, will be the humor maybe, and also the you can add the inspiration down here, for example, electronic beat, so it will be added into this section. And also you can start to create, click here, and after that it will consume 10 credits and the song will be ready in this section. And you will see there are three songs I have, but I think I will use this one. And you can simply download it by give it the right click and also click download. You can download it with the MP3 audio WAV, but you need to upgrade it to become pro version or generate the video. But here I prefer to download it with MP3 first, and it will be saved into your gallery. And the next thing is you can start to create the video that also support the message of this song. And for example, you can use the Gemini here, and I will create it with this video free or video style. And for example, I have tried to put this prompt that also show you the visual character, the action, camera movement, and also the atmosphere, additional detail. And you can also put, maybe it's not only for the song that portray about one couple but also two couple, it is okay, but as long as the theme is still go align with the topic of the song or the theme or the message in the song. And after that, this will be the result and you can simply download it. And you can also add more video in this Gemini AI. And by this Gemini, you will have three chances to generate the video every single day, and there will be three, and the video will be in 8 seconds of duration, guys. And you can go back to the audio if you would like to cut it, so you can use this mp3cut.net. And for example, I cut the song that I have made from this Suno, and I will only show this section. You can simply move it or slide it like this, and which one is your best part, and you can continue to click save, and finally the music will be saved into your gallery, guys. And after that, you can go to your favorite video editor. For example, I will use this CapCut to create the video. And for example, I have tried to put two video clip that I have just made from this Gemini AI or from this video, and also put the song that I have just cut from this mp3cut.net, But if you would like to create full in a full song, so you need to add more video clip, guys. And for example, you can add this effect like fade in and also the transition effect. You can start it with the very simple step. For example, this one. You're the honey sweet. And for example, I will go to the next clip. So that will be the video clip that you can create from this AI. And if you would like to download it, then you can go to the export and you can start it try for free. But because this is the condition, I haven't done the sign up. And don't worry because you can create this or generate out these two video and audio into your mobile and edit it with the CapCut and make it one, and you can start to export it and show it to your maybe to your friend and how's the music video clip. So that's all, guys. I hope this video find you helpful, and if you have any requests or suggestion about how we create this music video, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.